What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from Mike as well, and hope you all are having an amazing day. Today's video, we are unboxing the XPG Gammix S70 2TB M.2 SSD drive, which is going to be going into the PlayStation 5, and I will tell you why it is the cheapest one out there and most fast one available. So we're going to be looking into that, and I have installed the Western Digital Black SN850 on my PlayStation. I have installed the Samsung 980 Pro on my PlayStation, and none of them were able to pull the speed that this drive pulled off. So we're going to talk about that in the end of the video. This is priced right now at $329 on NewEgg if you wanted to go and buy today. But that doesn't make it the cheapest one, right? I mean, $329 still expensive. But if you really want to get this drive today, you can get it from Amazon, where it is priced at $299 for the one with the heatsink and one with the heatsink, which is the slim profile one. So heat spreader is already attached to the drive. So you can get that one for $299 and snap it into PlayStation 5 and you're good to go for $299. I bought the SN850 for $230, and that's for 1 terabyte, and this is for 2 terabytes. So I see the difference of like $70, but you're getting double capacity. And this is the main thing why I call it the cheapest one, because I shared with my subscribers, and if you're a subscriber, you must have gotten the notification that this drive was on sale on NewEgg for $269 on promotional price. And also they were giving you a free gift, like $30 gift card. So that gave me the total price of like $239.99. So amazing, right? 2 terabyte for the price of 1 terabyte that you would pay for SN850 Western Digital Black, and this is way faster than that. But one caveat it comes with. So you see the heatsink, the height of the heatsink now doesn't let me close the lid because the heatsink is massive. But if you're getting the one with the heat spreader already applied on it, you don't need this heatsink. So you can choose from Amazon, which is $299, still a good option. Because with my situation here, I could not close the lid and I can't leave it open. If you leave the lid open, you think that this is going to be amazing because of the airflow. No, it's going to be at worst. Because when you close the lid, it's going to create that negative pressure, and heat's gonna get out through that heat pipes that are attached to this the whole system. And if you have seen the video where the guy tears down, the Sony guy who tears down the PS5 and shows you there's a big heat pipe and heat sink inside. So this is the intake fan. If you leave the lid open, the heat's going to get out and it's going to get in through the intake fan, which is trying to push the heat inside the system. So keep the lid closed and everything, and the heat's going to get out of the back of the system where you see all the fans are attached. So this is where the heat's going to get out. So please do not leave this lid open. So now what do? I have the SSD. I can't just close the lid. So you see the screws right there? I can actually detach the heatsink, and I can just have this. The thing is, the bottom part you cannot remove, but I can buy a heatsink from aftermarket that I did, and you can just snap it on and put it back in your PlayStation 5, and it was a breeze. And now you can close the lid, and the SSD heatsink costs only $10 to $12 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you guys really need it. But what makes it amazing is the price that I paid for the S70 M.2 SSD XPG, a long name nowadays for these SSDs, but I paid $239 in total for 2 terabyte, and that makes it the cheapest one, but not the slowest or slower than any other SSD in the market. I put the SSD in there and put the cover on, and it's ready to go. And now you will be amazed to see what speed it pulled up. And you can let me know in the comment section what speed you have seen so far. But this was coming at whopping of 6,204 megabytes per second. I haven't seen Samsung 980 Pro pulling this speed, not even crossing 5,500 megabytes per second. I used the SN850 that reached about 5,600 megabytes per second, but that's costly. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace out.